Hey, it's Noah, and I would like to tell you all about dishwasher. So, first of all, it's the brand Samsung, right here. You have all the cycles, like wash, rinse, dry, and you can tell this is a future dishwasher. The dishwasher used to scare me when I was little, but it doesn't anymore. I kind of like it now. This is why my Women's History Month project for English. And did you know a woman invented the dishwasher? Her name is Josephine Cochran. This is the first dishwasher she invented. It was mounted on the countertop. And she was from Astabula County, Ohio. It's in northeastern Ohio. This is her quote. If nobody else is going to invent a dishwashing machine, I'll do it myself. This is our very first ad for the dishwasher. She's no longer living, but what I would ask her is what brand of dishwasher is it? Like a Maytag or GE or Whirlpool. Thanks for watching my project.